headed to Williams Grove on a Friday night. This is the third take on this video. Yeah. We're failing at YouTube also.
Going to the Grove, 12 car tonight. First time we're going to be in the car this year. Grove's second race this year. So we only missed one race.
Even though we don't have a trailer tonight, we still have all of this shit, including some merch, a bag with hoodies for the crew, and hats, and this bag that's mine that weighs 7 tons. And I'm not sure how we're gonna get all of this in to the track.
I'm not taking it all in. There's one bag that's gonna, one big tote's gonna stay out here. Yeah.
So the merch gets to stay, I guess.
One of the merch.
Anyway, interesting fact. Bill got a parking pass for Williams Grove since we're just driving our own car, and look what number we got. 48. I hope that's lucky. What do you think?
I hope so. I think so. Hi, I'm Billy Dietrich, sprint car mechanic and driver. I've been around racing my whole life, and it's pretty much all I know. We created this channel to share the good and the bad and everything in between. Our crew may not be the most experienced or professional, but we get it done and we have a good time doing it. We'll show you what it's really like racing weekly at some of the best tracks in central Pennsylvania. I'm also going to share some sprint car tutorials, mechanics, and parts, and whatever else I feel like. So like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. And enjoy the ride. Yeah, boy.
So our parking lot spot is this tree. I'm not exactly sure what that means.
Oh, should I just like park like right here? Like awkwardly park. I'm gonna park on the other side of the tree. How's that sound?
I don't know. No matter what you do, it's gonna be wrong.
Probably. No, I'm gonna back up right next to the tree.
All right, we're dragging the merch in from the air. We got a special helper here. Frank.
This goodie bag.
I'm out of breath. So that thing's dried up. I don't think I ever saw it without water in there. You guys holding hands. It's like a bromance back here. Got my little survival kit here. I got some Trulies, I got some tuna, and I got some cottage cheese. I think I'm set for the night. All set up. Here's all some merch.
Go, big timing. Big timing walking in.
Get it all, Nate.
Oh, look. Uh-oh.
You got it?
Yep. We don't know if he's going on the pro bowling tour or going to the racetrack. Here we go.
Big time belly.
Yep. Excuse me, sir. Don't stop him. He's the driver. Let him go. I'm doing video. Mind your business. What?
You got enough footage.
All right.
All right, driver's meeting's over, which I totally missed. I didn't hear the call for that. We drew a 37. Guys are making the final adjustments on the car. Get the stagger situated. Almost time to go.
Well, I'm still over here selling merch. And there's my husband in this car, ready to go out for hot laps for the first time. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous. Yikes. All the feels.
Warm-ups is completed. Not terrible by any means. Couple minor adjustments. We moved the steering wheel up right before warm-ups, which was a big help. And then the throttle pedal tension, return spring was a little too much. You know, we try to lift off the throttle a little bit. It wanted to snap back. So we fixed that. Otherwise, the car felt good. I was just trying to get it acclimated to the car. One other thing that was really messing me up was that we're missing the Zeus button right in front of the driver, so the hood was literally, the faster I went, the further the hood stretched up in front of me. So a couple little things, nothing major. I'd say so far so good. But we're gonna Barry's making a couple changes to the car. So far so good. I mean, motor felt good. Car felt fine. It's a different car, so it's gonna steer a little different, feel a little, sitting in there a little different. But overall, I'm pleased so far. So 7th in the first heat. That's up next.
Show us.
I have a can-do attitude.
Hurry up, it's loud.
I found this today somewhere. If you can trump this card at the VFW, I will buy your drinks all night long. Fair enough?
This thing's like actually made of metal. It's like heavy.
If you trump me with this, I'll buy your drinks all night long. That's all I'm saying.
You got a milkshake?
Peanut butter milkshake.
It looks amazing.
Yeah, it's gonna go right.
You know, before I had my weight loss surgery, I used to like be the queen of the peanut butter sundaes over there.
This is my weakness.
Can't do it now. I'm just gonna live through you.
My weakness is the shake too, but it's not my cup.
Oh Jesus, Nate. Are they straight? They're straight. Well, this is a little different than what I'm used to. So Chris says there's a little ladder and then there's a big ladder to get outside. Oh, I see it.
Terrible. I gotta get used to a couple things. The car doesn't brake like my car as far as the pedal feel. Found me up a little bit. I'm a little free on entry too. So, fifth? No, we're finished. Sixth.
Yeah, one spot.
Okay, I was right there with
What'd you do?
Oh, well, my receiver's down here in my crotch. I spilled somebody's drink. I tripped over the fuel to the airline, knocked it over. Now we got Pepsi in here.
And your receivers where?
In my crotch. Tip that up. Here.
All right, I'm out of hands. Oh. Nice, Bill. Taking a walk.
Yeah, we're trying to find the lineup, but it ain't posted yet.
Where is it usually posted?
You know what though? I smell pizza.
Here we go.
Well, Dane started second. 69K and a 48 in the front row. That sounds exciting. All right, they're calling us to get ready for the feature. So all the adjustments are made. 25 laps up next. Now it's all on me. So, see what happens. We can pick a couple cars off here, and hopefully we get right on the setup. We'll be all right. See what happens.
Did good, babe. Seemed like got a lot faster there at the end. I have no idea. I am not the person to ask where someone ended up. I have no idea what's going on.
Non-stop?
Yeah.
Wasn't bad where I finished. Struggled a little bit. I'm a little free over rotating, I think. So, not bad. I don't know where we finished, but we got all the laps in, so. Yeah, good job. In other words, it just turns in so easy. It just wants to go left all the time. I'm not used to that. I want to be able to drive it. I need to drive it more to where I want it. So like a couple times, even up here, like I get in, it turned me off the cushion. It turned me before I got the cushion, now I'm like sideways.
So putting some weight in the left front would help get rid of that.
Not sure. In other words, I don't know. It's like the right rear is overdriving the rest of the car. That's what it feels like. Like, you know, this right rear is constantly wanting to turn the car around. I could tell the left side was up when it went through. Left rear way in. Like, I could tell it was up a little bit. I started moving wing back, just trying to sit it down. But then
At the end, you were a lot faster.
I was.
Second half, yeah. It was like the last 7 or 8 laps. Like
It wasn't hateful.
catching it.
I just couldn't I couldn't run it going around the car.
And like I said, I feel like the back of the car is a bit higher to start with.
It feels like it. Like it's to the point where I'm like,
lower the whole back end.
I'm forward, start the race because I don't, well, you know, full load fuel type of car. I'm like, this thing's like up. Like, I'm like driving like this. Like I'm looking down the front end. Okay. All right, feature's over. We just debriefed here. We talked about some things with the car. Everybody did a good job. I want to thank Barry and his crew. My delinquents showed up here for moral support. But everybody did a good job. We've got some things to work on, but we have plenty of the work with. Is a good thing. So car ran good, motor ran good. A couple little bugs, but nothing major. On the next Friday. We'll be here next Friday. Appreciate everybody stopping out. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, comment below. Dietrich.com for merch. And that's a wrap at the Grove. See you next time.